This is a haul video. It is a video of collective. It's a collective haul of Westside, H&M, and guess, Urbanic. I'm up with a new video of all of these three brands. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. I'll show you all the items one by one. Okay, so first I will be showing you all my H&M haul. I don't have basically many items. I purchased just a few items from the Black Friday sale, so I'll be showing you that. Firstly, I got this cute crop kind of a top. It's not a top, it's kind of a spaghetti. You can see it's very cropped, and I got it in the size I guess S. I got it in the size S, but it was too tight for me, so you can go to M if you are like me. But I didn't like the color of this, so I went for this. See how cute is the color, so cute, and it is literally cute. The first time I saw this, I went, man, कि मतलब ये तो मुझे चाहिए चाहिए. Literally look at it, how cute it is. So I got that, and the material is cotton and H&M. H&M stuff is already good, you know that. So why not? So I got that. Next thing from H&M that I got is a bag. Who doesn't love black? I go crazy over black items. I literally love black. It's a kind of a sling bag, but you can also detach this belt from this bag and you can carry it like this. So cute. It was available in many more colors, but I like this one, so I got this in the black color because you know I love black so much. That's why I got this in the color black. Okay, so that was all about H&M. I didn't get much stuff from H&M. Now we will move to Urbanic haul. Now I'll show you all the things that I got from Urbanic. First, I got this top, this cute crop top. It has these kind of baggy sleeves. What do you call it? What are these sleeves called? Let me know in the comment section. I just love the sleeves, and it is also, it has this kind of detailing, so you can pull it all together and you can make it all short. I also got this in M size. I think M fits me, but M fits me well. So all the things I get are in the M size only. See the color of this cute top. Same color that H&M top had. How cute is this? I love this color also and black color also. It's not cotton material. I don't know what this material is called, but it's kind of, you can wear it in summers. In winters it is not appropriate. It's great for summer. The next thing I got from Urbanic is a pair of bottoms. It is a baggy jeans. It is in a dark blue color. I got it in the size, let me check, L size. It's an L size. It's kind of a carrot, the name I read there was carrot tapered jeans. It is like this from the bottom. I'll insert images so that it will be very clear for you to check. This is the pair of jeans that I got. It's a normal carrot tapered jeans. Nothing so fancy about this. Let me know in the comment section what more videos you want to see. Do you want to see haul videos or vlog videos? Do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so next thing that I got from Urbanic is a jacket. It's a denim jacket. I was wondering to get a denim jacket from so long, and I found it on Urbanic, and it's kind of a baggy denim jacket. Yeah, it is a kind of baggy sleeves denim jacket. I saw the same on Zara, but it's kind of not the exact same version that I got, but it's literally chalta firta, मतलब
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I mean to say that कि हाँ मिलता जुलता. It's kind of a मिलता जुलता version. So let me show you all. This is the jacket, guys, that I got. See, it has again these kind of sleeves, the same kind of sleeves as the top had. It's rugged from the back, and it is denim, light blue denim jacket, and again in the size M only. It's rugged from the front, has pockets. Who doesn't need pockets? I surely do need them. It has pockets and I like it. Do let me know how do you like it. Okay, the items that I got from Urbanica now, and now we'll move to this side. Again, I have a jacket from this side. I got this jacket. It's in this cute lavender kind of a color. Lavender is much more in trend these days, I guess. So this is the jacket that I got. Isn't it cute? It's again in the size M. I'll wear it and show all the images. It too has pockets. See, pocket lovers, this is steal deal for you. You can grab this jacket. I find colored jackets more cuter than denim jackets. Still, you can go for this if you like this. But I like the lavender color, so I got this. As soon as I saw that I got this from store, as soon as I saw all these things in the stores of the lavender color, I went, oh, ये तो मुझे चाहिए. That's why I got this. I have the same top, crop top in the color lavender from H. I have a same top in the color. I have a top in the same color, lavender, and that too from West Side only. This is a cute crop top. It can be worn as a blouse also. I have seen many influencers wearing it as a blouse also. It's cute. It's very cute. It's again in the size M. Nothing much to show about this. It has a zip at the back, so you can zip it up. And it has these kind of, what do we call this? You can make it small or large as per your liking. See, this is the top. Isn't it cute, you guys? Do let me know in the comment section. Did you find this cute? Another thing that I got from this side is a tank top. I was wondering, would tank top look good on me? Then I thought, let's give it a try once. This is the top. It's in the tie-dye kind of, what do you call it? Print of that. And it's again of the cotton material and in the size M, as M fits me properly. I like this cute once I've worn, so I got this. So guys, this was all about the haul video. Now let me know in the comment section what more vlogs or hauls or what do you want to see next. So I will be showing you that only. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.